Hi, welcome to Food Menu channel. Today my recipe Methi Paratha. Take one bunch of methi leaves, then remove stems. Only take leaves and clean it. Then chop nicely. We should chop very nicely and take one handful of fresh coriander leaves. Wash well, then chop nicely. And take 1.5 inch ginger and 2 green chilies. Grind it well. Keep aside. Take 300 grams of hota and 2 tablespoons of basin and 1 teaspoon, half teaspoon of turmeric and half teaspoon of chili powder. Required salt. Then 1/4 teaspoon of hing. Then garam or ajwain half teaspoon. Crush with hands. Then add it to water. Now add 1 tablespoon of fenugreek, dried fenugreek or kasuri methi. Crush it with hand and add it. Now add ground ginger and green chili paste. Add 2 tablespoons of white til. Add 2 tablespoons of oil and 3 tablespoons of curd. Mix all the ingredients well. Now add chopped fenugreek leaves and coriander leaves. Again mix it. It contains water. That's why it will absorb a little water. Now add required water gradually. Make stiff dough. And grease it with a little few drops of oil. Then apply it and close and keep aside for 10 to 15 minutes. Take 300 ml of curd and 2 nicely chopped onion and chopped coriander or rock salt half teaspoon and half teaspoon of roasted cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon of chaat masala, 1/8 teaspoon of Kashmir red chili powder. Mix all the ingredients. This is for side dish to our parota. This will be very tasty. Keep aside. Now going to preparing parota. Take big lemon size of dough and dip this dough in the powdered flour. Then roll it very thin parota. Prepare all the parotas. Then fry 2 sides on low flame. fry two sides. Apply few drops of oil into two sides. Then turn it. Flame should be very low. It will take time to fry the parotas. This recipe is very easy to carry in traveling time. This is very soft and tasty, delicious methi paratha. Try this recipe with masala curd. Thank you for watching.